man. Ain't too much sun. Overcast. We got overcast.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Right, all right. Boy, Trigger Man back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, what we got here, man, we're doing this here Lincoln. Got a quarter panel. Gonna take it all the way down. And then we're gonna blend the bumper. Nothing major, man, nothing major. Paint code HN. That's a Ford color, HN. But today, man, doing something a little, a little silly, man. I got this here spray gun. It resembles the DV1, which everybody knows. I say it with pride. I don't like the DV1. I have them. I don't like the DV1 clear gun, shall I say. It's too slow. That's my final answer. DV1 clear gun is too damn slow. C2 cap 1.4 is still too slow. But anyway, this here, man, buddy of mine around the corner, owns a shop around the corner, and he's teaching one of his guys to paint. And I saw this thing over there, and I'm like, man, you gotta let me try this thing out, man. It says N-Tools. It's made by N-Tools, and it's a NAE. NAE is the model. I tried to Google it. The only thing that came up on Google was AliExpress, you know, like Alibaba, the Chinese company. And but it says on here, UK, I don't know if you can see that, UK technology. I think it's more like Chinese technology, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm curious, man. I'm curious to see, man. See, N-Tools. See how kind of like the cap's kind of like the DV1. Yeah, man, it's crazy, man. It's got the air adjustment. You know, the air, change the air. Everything is just built just like it. Hopefully it don't spray like it. But yeah, man, so we're gonna see what's up with it, spray it. It's a 1.3 tip on here. And I'm gonna use it for base and clear. We're not gonna seal this one. 2K primer, still in good standards, good foundation for paint, so we ain't going through all the whole sealer thing. But anyway, I'm gonna go mix up, mass up, and we're gonna get to it. All right, let's get to it. But yeah, man, I seen the gun sitting over there at my buddy's shop. I'm like, what in the heck is this? And he was like, yeah, man, he's teaching this guy how to paint. The guy that's there, he's a body man slash prepper. So he does the body work, preps him, but he doesn't know how to paint. So I guess he's trying to teach him how to paint. So he'll do it all. But I was like, man, let me just take this and do a video with it and I'll bring it back. And he was like, go ahead, man. So here goes, man. Going with the base coat. Coverage, first coat. Oh my goodness. No, you didn't, Trigger Man. No, you didn't. Coverage in my first coat. 20 PSI. I'm at 20 PSI. And actually, it was at 18. I dropped it down to. It was a bit high for base at 20. So it is. I did turn it back down to 18 PSI. So I'm looking at it like, yeah, Trigger Man likey, Trigger Man likey. Trigger Man likey. Even with the base, it just flowed out good. Actually, it sprays a lot better than that gun that I just did the video on, that Roku gun, the gun that's a knockoff of the GTI Pro Light. Yeah, this gun sprays a lot better than that one, you know. A lot better. And strangely, this is a 1.3, which in my DV1, in my real DV1, I have a 1.4 with a C2 cap, and this gun is 10 times faster than that. But I know the DV1 is a more quality gun. I know that. It does give a better finish, but just in terms of speed, you know, this gun here got it. I really don't know how these companies are doing this stuff, man, but man, I wish this stuff was around 20 years ago, man. Jeez. Going with clear, my high solid clear, same Pro Spray Amtech clear I use on the channel every job, same clear. gun is hauling tail, man, especially for 1.3. It's moving, man. The gun is fast. Very fast. Pretty looking gun, too. Blue and gold. They should have made a damn DV1 25 PSI. They should have gave us the option of blue with the DV1 with the real Devilbiss gun. All we got with that is black and chrome, silver. It'd been nice to have a blue one. Yeah, boy, these Chinese people, Boy, they coming through. Chinese people coming with it. Yeah, so this was just a quickie, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. I might hold on to it and try to do a bigger job with it before I give it back to him. Yeah, they were a little slow around there. I guess that's why he probably just let me go ahead and take it. But yeah, my buddy's shop, they are pretty slow, so I'll probably hold on to it throughout the rest of the week, maybe even next week. I'll just wait till he calls me. I want to get a couple jobs in. I want to do a bigger job with it and see how it works out. Yeah, man, these little cheap off-brand guns, they're doing it. They are doing it.
The Trigger Man.
All right, we got it done. We got it done. Bam! What's it? Bam! Yeah. That's what we looking like, though. That's what we looking like. On the NAE. In the place to be. You paint gun fairy, don't be coming for me. You paint gun fairy, don't you come for me. Hit him with the NAE. What that spell? Nay. We're gonna name her Shanae. You know what I mean? Shanae. Yeah, that we're gonna name her. Don't blame me, blame her. She did it. You know what I'm saying? Don't come at Trigger Man paint gun fairies. I know y'all be like, oh my God, that gun won't last a week. Throw it in the gun washer, the paint's gonna come off. I don't know how long the gun gonna last. Y'all said that about the V-Bore. I've been spraying with the V-Bore every week for 2 months. V-Bore's still going. When is it supposed to die, huh? When the little cheap Chinese gun's supposed to die, huh? A year later? Y'all ain't even gonna be around for a year later, you know what I mean? Now, paint gun divas, shut up, okay? I'm not saying it's gonna last forever, I'm not saying it's a great gun. I'm just saying it's a little cheap gun from Alibaba, AliExpress, Chinese little cheap gun, and it did the job. That's all I'm saying. You know, don't come with that foolishness, boy. But yeah, so that's all I'm saying, man. It can do that. That's all. But yeah. Anyway, man, the boy Trigger signing off. Hey, I'm gonna leave a link. I found it, you know, I just Googled the name of it. I ain't even really know nothing about the gun. I Googled it and it came up. So I'll leave a link in the description. You know, if you guys want to go check it out, purchase one. I don't make a dime off it. I wish I could, but I don't. So anyway, Trigger Man signing off. Catch y'all in the next one. Ain't too much sun out here, man. Ain't too much sun. Overcast. Got overcast. She's a bad man, jammer. All right. So that's a wrap on this one. And like I said, man, I'm not claiming the gun is good. I'm not claiming the gun will last. I'm not claiming nothing. I just use the gun and you see the job and that's it, man. Don't shoot the messenger. Anyway, your boy Trigger signing off. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and please tell his girlfriend. Peace.